farmers is available who grow the paddy, vegetables, many more things, and western side they don't know how.
Hello, good evening. I am Nitu here and this is my group. We all are sitting here for debate class between Western culture and Indian culture. First and foremost, I would like to say about culture. What is culture? So culture is the way of life of particular group of people or country. So the behavior, tradition, beliefs, custom that they accept without thinking anything about them, and that are passed along by communication and imitation from one generation to the next. So first and foremost, I would like to give the chance to Beauty. She will tell about the Western culture.
Today I will tell about what is Western culture. Western culture is followed in Western countries like Canada, USA, Spain, etc. It's called Western culture. Western culture is advanced culture as well as he open-minded culture. That's why Western culture is in Western culture. Many types of authority they gives on self for that on self. For example, they only thought that on self and they only enhance our personality as well as our business style is that's why Western culture is good, but Indian culture in this type of things not happened in Indian culture. That's why according to me when Western culture is well.
But according to me, Indian culture is better than Western culture because in India, many more families they live together and they celebrate any festival and marriages. They also celebrate to be together. So according to me, Indian culture is better.
But
than
you know
Western
your
culture.
Indian culture many types of casteism available. Due to that reason many types of fights
No, you are
going on.
saying
That's
wrong.
why it's bad.
You are saying wrong because I know that in India many more religions live, but they live with brotherhood. They
And
don't.
it is our unity. Okay, when
That's why
Even then why they are fighting with together?
we are fighting together, but
only for illiterate person are doing this type of work. Okay, not literate person. When suppose now whisper we are sitting together and you are Hindu and I am Muslim, then
Then
where is it
even
happening?
the educated person they will also do this type of thing.
No.
How can you
I
say
am
that?
not
Then
agreeing
our what
your
is
point.
opinion about our president, our chief minister? They will also after achieving their post, they will also do that type of thing because they only focus on their casteism. Not after that they focus on another casteism, but first and foremost they will give on caste priority. That's why it's bad.
No, our government provide to us as like lots of authorities, and everyone knows their authority, and they talk their about of their authority.
But you know, in Indian culture, many types of laws available. That due to that reason, your teenagers as girls and boys that they don't progress in our life. But in Western culture,
Why?
they I am
Why they
saying
don't?
that now in your country constitution many types of law available.
Yes.
Due to that reason, many types of reason come out to that your casteism and they don't progress our life in under teenager. But in India, but in Western culture, they will open minded. They will do anything they want.
No, you are saying wrong because I know that in our constitution, which many types of law is available because of this thing. We are doing. We can't do many types of work. Just like you are saying that in Western side, they feed their own. They stand their own feet in a teenager. But in our India, they do their own work after 18s, before 18. But it is good because it is our own time that at that time you should recognize anything. After that you will have to do anything now.
And you said that in 15 years old are stand there in fit. Okay, I agree, and they are misusing this power because they go bar pub dance and together masti as like fun, and it is not good.
okay, you are saying about Western culture in minor age they go to they go to pub. You know, in India's people are also go to pub and what?
They will have you treated many types of bad thing.
Yes, and in this time one accident has come. You know about that the accident. They are minor. Even then they go pub and they were driving a car. And after driving, they damaged a person.
Okay, I agree that, but it is rare case. Not it's happened regularly. Okay, it is rare case. Only for one time it happened. Then how can you say that? It is happening on daily basis.
Okay, it is rare case, but what would you like to say about our dressing sense? In India, maximum people are using maximum people are adopting the dressing sense of Western culture. In this time, if you go any place, at that place you will see every people are wearing only Western dress. They don't wear Indian dress.
No, you are totally incorrect because Indian wear Western dress because
In our
they-
India, listen, in our India, approx 5,70,000 blaze available. Okay, and blazer people also use sari, not Western.
Okay,
Western as
you
like
are
jeans.
saying about
Okay.
women and girls.
And if you talk
and
about
what would you like
our
to say
Muslim,
about men
listen,
and
if we talk about our Muslim country women, they are using niqab. Okay, it is our
Okay.
culture.
it is our culture. Only women
Only
and
one
girls
caste
are accepting and they are doing Indian culture. But what would you like to say about men and boys? Every time they wear only Western culture dress. Like in
what
this
is,
time, if you
what is Western culture? As like jeans.
yes,
And we are using as like pant shirt. It is Western culture.
jeans and shirt, t-shirt.
And I also said that in our India, approx 5 lakh blaze available. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
then
which side it is happening?
60%.
In my
You know,
village,
in
only
this
for
time modern
women,
generation,
girl are
every
using
village also
but,
use this
but
type
in
of
this
pajama,
time, place people
not jeans.
are also going city places.
Yeah,
Place
maximum
people are
villages.
also going.
Only for their son and their husband go city places. Okay, not girl, not woman.
Upcoming
Only
time,
for-
you know,
only for-
upcoming time you will see every people have adopt the Western culture and blaze will not blaze.
Yes.
You can't
Village
say,
is also
you can't say that
like
village
a
is not
modern.
village.
Yes.
You are saying that in village side they also use Western dresses.
Yeah,
Yes.
of
It is-
course.
You are
it is
totally
wrong.
correct.
You are
incorrect. You are totally incorrect about because because in village side girls and women wear salwar suit and sari. This is our traditional dress.
and
This
you are
type of thing happening before 2 and 10 years ago, but in this time, this modern generation,
No.
every villagers also use this type of thing.
You are
You
totally
can't say
incorrect.
that every villager uses this type of dress, and so you are saying that after coming in a city area they use Western dresses. You are totally wrong because after coming a village, city area they also use their traditional dress like suit salwar. You can't say that every villager person use Western dresses.
And Indian people in any occasion we wear only traditional dress. They know in you
Only festivals you wear traditional dress and other time.
No, I am saying mostly occasion we wear our traditional dress.
And in our India, many
Because of
festival.
show off.
Yes, in India.
You know, in this
many
time, people
festivals
want
are there.
to that I will feel comfortable. Their dress at the time they will this type of thing. Okay, Western dress.
So I have one point that I want to say because
Okay, you can
in
say.
India many more types of festival is available and we celebrate every festival with together. But in Western side they celebrate any festival with only their family member. Like they live in a maximum they live
So
in
what
a
is
nuclear
fault
family.
in this
They live in nuclear family, like 2 to 3 person is available.
You know, a nuclear family also adopted by the help of Western culture because in this time, India's people also used also adopted nuclear family. Why?
Yeah, then they adopted a nuclear family.
Then
but
why they
listen,
adopted?
please let me clear my point. Because they live outside, because they have to do their work. That's why they are living in a nuclear family.
It's
But
not correct point now.
listen, let me clear. Because in this time, many more we can say that maximum person they are living in a joint family, and they celebrated every festival with together, and they celebrate any marriage like festival.
Okay, you are saying about marriage, but in Western place, all family available in Western place also. They also invite all peoples.
Yes, they invite, but only they go church, and after going they do marriage. But India, in Indian side, we have many more rituals.
Then
And
what
they-
is
they-
fault that situation?
And in many rituals they celebrate and they full fun. But in a Western side, only for they go church and they
Okay,
what?
you are saying about marriage, but you know, in this time, Indian people are also adapting marriage of Western culture. In this time,
Like
India's
love
people
marriage.
listen. In this time, India's people are doing pre-wedding, and this is not the part of Indian culture.
Also love marriage.
Yes, also
It's
love
not
marriage.
part
It is
of
not
Indian
the part
culture.
of Indian
Yes, they
culture.
are doing love marriage, but even then they
Valentine's Day,
are
many types of.
Who has said that
Birthday.
love marriage is not part of our Indian culture? Who has said?
I think
Constitution. How?
Constitution.
Our God Mahadev.
Mahadev.
He also marry with his love.
Yes.
Then
But they will agree with
how
the
can you say that?
they will
Radha
agree
is
with their
Krishna
family.
also.
They will agree their family. After that they will.
Okay,
Okay,
you are saying about
also
love
different
marriage.
type of marriage.
Listen, you are saying about love marriage. This is not the part of Indian culture.
Yes.
But what would you like to say about pre-wedding? This is not a part of Indian culture. This is part of Western
Engagement
culture.
also.
Sagai.
No, pre-wedding and
Pre-wedding.
engagement.
Before
Engagement also the part of Western culture.
Yes. Before
This
wedding,
type of thing not available in Indian culture.
Yes.
should
Yes.
I
Can
agree that they have adopted, but even then they do their marriage with many rituals.
Then according to you in
But
Western culture,
listen, let me
ritually
clear
not
my
happen.
point.
No.
But in Western side, they always do they do many marriage in church.
Because they are Christian.
Yes,
That's
they are.
why
Yes, they are Christian.
Yeah.
They
And
believe
and
in.
they don't
Then we are
like.
then we are Hindu and Muslim and Sikh, Isai. That's why I am
Many
doing
more-
this type of
many
work.
more
What is the
religions are
logic?
living here in
They
India.
are
I
Christian. That's why they
also
are
said
doing.
that now what is logic? Your partner is also your partner is said na
She
that
is
type
saying
of thing.
about top festival. As like when marriage happen, at that time we feel very peace. Okay, that's why
This
she
type
is
of thing
saying.
also they
Western
will
No,
do.
only for
They
they are busy.
celebrate big cakes.
Anytime they are
You can't-
they are busy. They are online. Okay,
At that time in
Are you
marriage
agree
time
or
they
not?
want no.
No,
I am
that's
not.
not-
only for they go 2 hours, 3 hours. After that they will come their home.
Yeah.
And in
Just
our
because
India,
they don't want.
Then what
Yes.
is fault? I am
And
saying that now what
if
is fault?
Indian culture is good, then why they are adopting Western culture?
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Yes.
after 1 year they celebrate anniversary, and anniversary is not part of Indian culture, and
Yeah.
birthday is also not
Also
part
not
of Indian
part of
culture.
Indian
And Valentine's Day also
And
not
they
part
cut
of Indian
and they cut
culture.
cakes.
no.
This
you-
is not part
no.
of Indian
How
culture.
can you say that birthday is not our culture?
Who celebrate?
I
Who celebrate?
Who
we
celebrate?
also celebrate our Krishna Janmashtami. How can you say that?
Krishna Janmashtami.
What?
No, at that
We-
time not
we-
Indian
we-
culture.
But we are celebrating
broke-
Krishna Janmashtami.
We broke handi. Okay. How can you say that?
Handi and different.
Not
Handi
these are
Handi,
are-
not
these
cutting
are
cake.
rituals.
Yeah.
You broke handi, not you don't cut cake.
She is
Yes.
saying that
Both of them
it is not
separate,
part
separate,
of
okay.
it is not part of
Our culture.
Our culture.
Because
It-
birthday
you are
and
doing this type of work
birthday
because
and
our
anniversary
we are
adopted-
celebrating.
Century, and you are saying about the birthday is part of also Indian culture, and you are saying about Krishnas, but India's people celebrating this type of festivals in another way, like worship. But in this time, India's people are adapting the system of birthday like Western culture. Because at night they cut cakes and they celebrate lots of things and they and they do they they celebrate like Western cultures and they
But in India, when birthday came, in morning they also worship first of all God. Then in night they cut. We all cut cake.
even then they are adopting now the culture of Western culture.
Yeah, because the cake cutting is not part of.
But
Indian
first of all,
culture.
they worship their God.
Okay, you are saying first they worship their god. You know, if tomorrow is your birthday, then today midnight you will cut. First you will cut cake. After that, when will you get up in morning? At that time you will worship. So first you.
You are following.
Yes, first you are following
culture.
Western culture. After that you are following your culture.
Yeah.
And you know, in India many types of untouchability and dowry system available, but in the Western place there is no any types of untouchability and dowry system available. Their places their what their persons have open minded and they are doing everything freedomly, and women also everything can do freedomly. But in India there is many types of untouchability like religion. In religion, according to me, both culture are good. Because we are Indian, so we must follow our culture, but for developing our country we have to follow Western culture also. That's why both culture are good. In Western culture we feel and openly. That's why we are adopting Western culture.
Indian culture is better than Western culture because I said that in India many more types of festival rituals are available, and because of this thing we celebrate with together. And I know that Western culture is also good because we are day by day we are adopting Western culture. So I think both of culture is good. So thank you.
आप लोग बोलते रहिए, हम रोके नहीं हैं.